What's going on, y'all? Buttery Workshop back with another episode after weeks, damn near a month. And your boy was in Aruba recently, so got a little tan and it's peeling a little bit, so just take it easy on me, man. Put a little cocoa butter up on there to moisturize and all that. But we're outside Reebok. We ain't going in Reebok, no offense, but we are at the Rentham Premium Outlets. We're finna hit a few stores and see if we can find some hidden gems for the Lowski. So let's get it. What are you looking for?
Gucci belt.
We finally getting the Gucci belt. We're gonna be Gucci belt gang.
Hell yeah. And then I'm gonna go into Crocs. I gotta find Zadie a pair of Crocs. And a pair of Spider-Man shoes. Cause I'm a real sucker.
She a real auntie. Alright guys, check it out. First off, the Gucci store at the Rentham Outlets. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna buy some designer stuff, try to save a few bucks if and when you can. So I had two items in particular that immediately caught my attention. Actually, let me show you. Let me show you the first one. You know, your boy is an otaku of sorts. He's a bit of a Japanophile at times. That just sounds crazy as a word, but check out these slides. Gucci slides with the Gucci print. And look at these cute little kawaii characters all over. And this is the first item that I came across. So I was like, oh, those are cool. Let me try them on in my size. And you know, if you ever worn a Gucci slide, they're straight, they're whatever. They're not the most comfortable, but they're tolerable. That's what I'll say. They're tolerable.
Smashing the bitch at the penthouse, right by the door with my Gucci flip-flops on. And this ain't no disrespect, you know what I mean? I really lived that moment and went to the studio. I went right directly to the studio. I was like, man, I just fucked your bitch.
It's some Gucci flip-flop.
But in the same vein as those slides, I came across these. Check it out.
We actually don't allow videos in the store.
Okay, no worries. I'll turn it off. Check it out though, the sneaker version. This is the one that I'm going with. Can't record in the store, so I'll see you on the outside. Guys, check it out. We got the Polo Sport P-Wing camp cap with the long bill. Definitely an ode to the 90s Polo Ralph Lauren collections. And check it out. One size. It's like a fitted. One size fits most, maybe large, extra large. Marked down to 25 bucks. Definitely a classic. So we've alluded to the Rugby influence popping back up into the main Polo Ralph Lauren line, and there's no greater evidence than just seeing this gold and navy blue striping combination with a little horse in the stirrup belt buckle. Definitely a clean belt buckle here for 80 bucks. I was preaching about wintertime coming in. You know, we're officially in spring now, but summer's right around the corner. Check out this tie-dye. It's almost like a corduroy bucket hat. Super, super fire. Ooh, look at all the different colors too, even on the inside. Originally $90, marked down to 40 bucks. Also got this Beacon fleece. Definitely a lightweight fleece, which is perfect for the springtime. Still get some wear out of it, but definitely on the lighter side. Marked down a few times, but finally here at $100 with the matching pants. But that'd be doing a lot, like a lot. We ain't trying to do too much. All right, guys, this might be the best steal of the moment in the store. This black watch plaid blazer, heavy too. It feels like good quality. But check it out. Original price on this $448, marked down to $130. You know, when you want to get your grown man on, this is the way to do it. This is official. Whew. Professorial vibes. You also got the classic quilted jacket here with the corduroy on the collar, marked down to $200. And okay, the polo volleyball. Lots of polo sport influence in the store right now. Little half zip. I don't know how I feel about the collar here. Should have a hood on it maybe, but polo volleyball marked down to $120. Check out the patchwork denim. I've always been a fan of these repaired polo denim pieces, but that's the biggest problem right there. The Sullivan Slim. I don't want a slim fit jean in this day and age. I want a straight fit at the most, but these are clean. Let's look at the back. Anything on the back? No. Pretty calm. Got some little, I think this is darning repair style, but yeah, these are hard. $268. Where's the markdown, bro? Oh, 25% off. Okay. Do the math. We also got Polo Bear knitted sweater with the cricket sweater and the tie. You got a little watch on, and he's doing it. It almost feels like Inception whenever I see a Polo Bear with the little polo logo on. Super fire though. Originally $398. I think it's okay, 25% off. So again, do your math. Some little button-up shirts. I do need some because I'm trying to get in my, really trying to get in my bag this summer and spring. And look at this. That's a good look. It's a good look right there. It's a solid cardigan, cotton. If I had to guess, I like it though. Pop your collar this year. We're bringing the collar popping back, guys. This R is directly from the Rugby Ralph Lauren line. I'm telling you, Rugby is back in the main polo line. You just got to know what you're looking for. This is a Rugby R though. Trust.
Take me out to the Burlington. Take me out.
Listen, some of the pieces have decent prices, but nothing beats Burlington, nothing beats Marshall's TJ Maxx, but you definitely have a better selection here. This is better than this outlet polo store has been in quite some time.
I don't like that.
What, with the little thing? I love the little paint distressing on there, even though it's printed, but you know, it's clean. $168 though, they taxing, bruh.
Like, what?
Guys, we tried to go into the Nike store and it was just absolute mayhem. The line was wrapping all around, people in every crevice trying to find a crumb. So,
Trying to find a crumb.
you know, no Nike store day, but when we get back to the crib, we'll do a little haul and show y'all what we actually picked up. So,
Or should that be in
see y'all there. Now, before we get going, CM, give us a little crash course on finding designer items at the outlet and what you need to look out for.
So, when you're at the Gucci outlet or any designer outlet store, you want to make sure that you're not getting a outlet exclusive. And what that means is that item is only sold in the outlet and therefore the quality is different, etc., etc. So there is a way that you can know by looking at the tags, and we'll post pictures somewhere over here in Nubianwell of what the outlet tag looks like versus the authentic, not that the outlet isn't authentic, but
Boutique.
That the boutique
item
has. Yeah, so you can look at the boutique tag versus the outlet tag, and that's one way to know if you're getting a outlet exclusive or if you're getting a Gucci boutique item. And then another way, obviously, is that you can ask the sales associate, and the sales associate should be able to tell you what the item is, if it's an outlet exclusive or not, and what year the collection was in the boutique. So that's a little tip from me to you.
Yeah, keep your eyes peeled, stay woke in these outlet streets, and yeah, see you at the crib. We'll do a little unboxing situation.
Believe none of what you hear and only half what you see. Gotta stay 10 toes till my path is complete. Came a long way from matching a G. Seeing niggas on the stands making passionate pleas. Damn, they was pushing P for real. Skateboard P, I was on my young Pharrell shit.